Today I'd like to show you the proper way to install a snap band bag into a cell plate. So I'm going to use this short little stubby snap band model here, and I also got a little small sample cell plate or two sheet where we're going to install this double bead snap band. Now, double bead snap band bags get their name from the metal snap band that is in the bag that adds some flexibility, and the two beads here that you can see, or double beads, that's on this band. You'll notice there's a groove right here between these two bands, which is where we want the cell plate to sit, so that the bead on the top and the bottom provides the airtight seal. Now, when installing these, we're going to put the bag down into the cell plate, just like that. Occasionally, you'll see some people that put a bag in like that, only with the snap band laying on the hole, and they think they've installed it correctly. But as you can see, the groove between the snap bands is not set into the cell plate. Now, the proper way to do this is to take the bag and to bend it in a little bit of a kidney shape, being careful not to kink the metal band, and to sit it so that the metal in the cell plate is right between the two bands. And as you work the bag in, you'll hit a snap, which is where the bag gets its name of a snap band bag. So how do we know if the bag is installed properly? Well, the bag should be very tight, just like this, and shouldn't spin. So then we can install the cage, make sure it sits well on the cage, and we're all done. Alright, that was it. So I hope you find this video very practical, and you got some good tips on how to install a snap band filter bag.